really realized in kind of switching from being a SIOP teacher to now being one of the SIOP authors, how much thought and care you put into the work that you're putting out into the world, and how essential all of the research is, and just the longevity of SIOP in the field, that it is here to stay because it's powerful and it's meaningful and it works. And as a practicing teacher, that is what we want. We want tools that are flexible. We want tools that we can use with any curriculum. We want tools that make our students happy, and that's what SIOP does. So it's been really fun to be writing the book with you, to realize that every word and every paragraph is so carefully crafted because we care so much about the teachers and we care so much about the children, and those words are now out there for so many to benefit from, and it's just such an honor to be part of the team.
It's so important to us to make sure that professional development is faithful to the SIOP model. With SAVIS, we know that participants get the latest edition of the SIOP book, Making Content Comprehensible. So teachers have it as a resource. They learn during workshops. They put Post-its, they highlight and mark up their book so that they're really digging into the book and learning it. But they have it as a resource to turn to again and again as they plan lessons.
I think we're really fortunate that SAVIS has wanted to work with us, the original developers, to really bring the model to life. I think they understood our vision, they understand the research, and so they've built that into the professional development materials, as well as the different workshop offerings that they have. So it's a benefit to the teachers who participate with them.
I think our involvement also with SAVIS has been to go over materials that are and to read materials that are being developed and to be able to offer suggestions and advice. That doesn't always happen. And I think that our involvement is important as we move forward with SAVIS.